605. Plus App Manual Kibo App Guide, version 3.0. Welcome. Kibo is a one-stop solution for all your reading and learning needs. With built-in support for multiple languages, we aim to provide a platform that makes reading and learning inclusive for everyone. Kibo is completely accessible for all users. Kibo helps you read any kind of printed or handwritten text, digital documents, images, audio, files across the following file formats: PDF, text, EPUB, DAISY, Docs, JPG, PNG, MP3, Opus. You can access content across multiple languages. Getting started. Download and installation. Kibo Access Simplified app is available on Play Store and can be downloaded from the given link https://play.google.com/store/apps/details?. idcom.trestle.labs.kibo. You can simply type Kibo and can download and install the app from Play Store. App permissions and sign in. After successful installation, the app asks for required permission. After providing the required permissions, after this the user can choose the Google account to continue. It is preferable to use the same account which is signed into Play Store. Storage, mandatory for reading files from storage and saving them to storage. Camera, to capture images using phone's camera and read them. Audio recording, to record audio and to play audio files with animations in audio player. Call, mandatory to pause Kibo reading in background in case of incoming or outgoing calls and to directly call Kibo helpline from Kibo app. Language setup. Kibo app provides the flexibility to read text in desired voices available. Users can select the preferred text-to-speech engine and voices for different languages. You can set Dtts engine and voice for different languages. The help of following steps: A. Go to Settings tab from the main page. B. Go to Dtts Settings. Option C. Select the language you wish to set. D. Select the text-to-speech engine for the language. Select from installed engines or download from the list. In case of downloading a new engine, you will be redirected to the respective source. E. After selecting the text-to-speech engine, select the text-to-speech voice for that engine. F. Repeat this for all the languages you want to set the voice and click Done. G. This is a one-time process. You can go back to settings and change your preferences anytime. Under Dtts Settings App Functionalities, the various functionalities of the app are listed below. 1. My account. This will show you plan and usage details about your current plan and logout option to switch accounts. If you are under basic plan, you can also subscribe to Prime End plan by clicking on Explore Prime End Benefits. 2. View recent files. This will show the most recent 10 files you have opened and read. You can choose to clear recents or clear individual files from recents. 3. Capture and read. Capture document photo and read the document in audio across multiple languages. A. Open capture and read. The back camera will start. Make sure you are connected to the internet. B. Click on Capture Image button to capture photo. C. The text will be processed. You will hear a processing sound if enabled in settings, and after processing, your output will be ready. D. You can press the play button to read the content and use the navigation options to navigate inside the text. E. You can also translate the content into different languages and choose the mode of translation, online or offline translation. F. You can also download the scanned text in Docs, PDF, or text file formats and the file will be downloaded to your phone's download folder. G. Click on Save to save the processed document, which can be accessed through View Saved Files section on Kibo app. H. You can click on Image Labels button to identify the different elements in the image and choose the mode of image labeling, online or offline detection. 4. Instant access. Access any text or image labels offline instantaneously. 5. Get image details. Get full details of the image described, includes images, labels and text in the image via offline or online processing. You can also translate the document to your preferred language and process, along with options to save, download, copy text or share. 6. Read your documents. Read existing files from your internal storage. Kibo supports following formats: .pdf, .text, .epub, DAISY, .docs. A. Select Read your documents and select your preferred file type. B. Choose or search the file you want to read from the list, which shows all files by default. You can also click on All and choose the folder to display the files in that folder only. C. Alternatively, you can choose any supported file from other apps, like choosing PDF from WhatsApp, and click on Share or Open with Kibo to directly open the files. Reading a document. When you are reading a document, you will get the following features: A play/pause, to start or pause reading. B navigation, using left/right buttons to go to previous/next word, sentence, paragraph, page, section, and chapter, as per the selected level of navigation. C audio highlight, this feature helps you highlight content you are listening and save them in your notes area. D write notes, this feature helps you type your comments in your notes. E table of contents, this feature helps you navigate to a desired chapter/section in DAISY and EPUB books. F levels of navigation, choose the level of text navigation, word/sentence/paragraph/page/section/ch. In case of an audio file, you can select between 10, 30, 60 seconds GOCR. Choose this option in PDFs to process the PDF online for text recognition. H. Translate, choose this option in PDFs to translate the document offline. I download, choose this option after OCR or translate to download the files in text, PDF, docs formats in your downloads folder. J share and copy, after OCR or translate, you can copy the text to your clipboard or share the text as text with your preferred app or contact. K add bookmark, this feature allows you to add multiple bookmarks in the same document, which can be accessed from the bookmarks option in More Options menu. 1. More options, this list includes notes, bookmarks, settings. M notes, all your notes will come here. You can edit, copy, share or delete your notes here. In case of an interruption during reading, the app automatically saves the last topic you were reading. You will be prompted to resume reading or start again when you open the same book again. Note for PDFs, Kibo processes and opens the PDF document offline first, as some of the PDFs are already accessible and does not need OCR. However, users can choose to OCR PDF directly by changing the preferences under Settings menu. 7. Read your audiobooks. Read existing MP3, Opus or OGG files from your internal storage. A. Select read your audiobooks and select your preferred file type. B. Choose or search the file you want to read from the list, which shows all files by default. You can also click on all and choose the folder to display the files in that folder only. C. Alternatively, you can choose any supported file from other apps, like choosing MP3 from WhatsApp, and click on Share or Open with Kibo to directly open the files. 8. Open Ebook Library. This library hosts books from Bookshare and Shugamaya Pustakalaya libraries. You will need to be registered with them to access the content. A. Open Ebook Library and click the navigation drawer. B. Inside this side menu, you will find content sources as Shugamaya Pustakalaya, Bookshare. C. You may use your login details to do a one-time login to Shugamaya Pustakalaya or Bookshare libraries. D. You may search and download books from all these libraries and get them saved under My Bookshelf. 9. Notetaker. You can now add your notes and keep them in one place using Kibo's Notetaker. A. You can directly click on Add Note button to add your notes or switch to Folder View to create a new folder to add notes. B. You can also delete, copy or share your notes with your friends. 10. Audio Recorder. Kibo now supports audio recording to help you voice record notes and important information. A. You can directly click on Add Recording button to add your recording or switch to Folder View to create a new folder to add recordings. B. You can also delete or share your recordings with your preferred app or contact. Note, this feature is currently unavailable for Android 11 phones. Files cannot be stored on Android 11 phones currently because Android 11 does not allow apps to save files to storage. 11. View saved files. All the files saved by you after processing will appear in this tab. Note, this feature is currently unavailable for Android 11 phones. Files cannot be stored on Android 11 phones currently because Android 11 does not allow apps to save files to storage. 12. Settings. In Settings, you can access the following: A. Change reading speed. B. Change font size. C. Preferences. Enable/disable talkback reading. By enabling this, you can access the text on the screens using your talkback. The play/pause and navigation buttons will be hidden. O. Enable/disable color inversion. By enabling this, the text reading area will change to white text on black background. Enable/disable processing sound. The processing sound, which is played during capture and read and OCR, can be switched on and off with this option. O. Show Save dialog box. If turned on, you will see the Save File dialog box each time you try to exit a processed document. O. Get image details online directly. If enabled, the images you share to Kibo will be directly processed Online, offline image processing will be skipped or enable/disable OCR PDF directly. By enabling this, whenever you open a PDF, it will directly process the PDF online and recognize the text for you. Offline PDF reading will be skipped or image labeling preference. Choose to process image labels online or offline directly. You can come back to change your preferences anytime. Dtts Settings. Set the TTS engine and voice for different languages. Select the language you wish to set. Select the text-to-speech engine for the language. Select from installed engines or download from the list. In case of downloading a new engine, you will be redirected to the respective source. After selecting the text-to-speech engine, select the text-to-speech voice for that engine. Repeat this for all the languages you want to set the voice and click Done. You can go back to settings and change your preferences anytime. Translation settings. For images, choose your preference for online or offline image translation. For PDFs, Kibo supports offline translation of documents. Only installed languages. These are installed languages for offline translation. You can add or delete the translation languages from here. 13. Help. It contains app manual. Contact us details and option to share feedback. 14. More info. It contains about version, about us, privacy policy, terms, rate us on Play Store, refer a friend and follow us options.
Hi everyone. If you like my video, so please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any doubt, then you can write it in the comments section down below. I will try to answer it soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.